Be. Oh, sorry. Nilabanan yung beret ko.
Stylish.
Oh, back.
So guys, we're going today is...
Anong we're going today is?
We're cooking today. Ang bubo na. Today, we're going to cook. Guys, mind nyo na to. Add to cart nyo na to guys. Nasa yellow basket ko. Thank you. Ano lang to? Mga dos lang. Nakamura.
Let us all witness the new segment of the show.
Ang ganda-ganda ng outfit nila.
Ang ganda. Parang may magic. Alam mo sa mga kids party. Sama tayo. Ito po yung mga nanay po.
Seto lang kami pang pababa na.
Hello, Mommy.
47 seconds.
Yay!
She loved me at my worst. What me at my worst. Pinaliwan ako lang na yun. Ang karapatan mong hingin ang isang bagay na yun.
Piolo Pascual!
Correct!
Wow!
Ayoko nang masikip. Ayoko nang walang tubig.
Correct!
Ibang ex-silasi. Ako na lang sasagot. Ang pera natin di basta
At-check ka pa
dito!
So, eto na po. Natupad na ang gusto ko matagal na. Mag-roller skates na po ako with the one and only Baby Doll Ariel.
Siyempre ako pa din.
Yeah! Smile ka nga, Ariel. Yay! May iba kaming kasama today. Ewan ko ba kung ba't umoutfit pa yan?
Ba?
Tigil mo ka na naman tayong papasok. Uy, excited yung hindi marunong. Ariel. Now guys, kino-compare ko ang roller skates sa roller blades. Hindi ko naman first time mag-skates, pero kasi sanay ako sa blades na sa likod yung preno. So ngayon ang skates, sa front yung stopper niya.
I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear. I tried this, tried that, tried everything. Coming right back, won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear.
Time's up, everyone! We're gonna eat again! Churros! Si Ariel with chocolate. I like it with Bavaria.
Yun talaga.
Can I taste?
Benta mo.
It's good, but I like this.
Stress ka ba?
Yun pala.
Since I broke my glasses, papacheck up, papagawa ng bago.
Intrusive thoughts.
Ayan na po kami. Ang dami na rin gastos for today. Usapan, roller skates lang. May nagpagawa ng salamin, may nagpagupit. Ba, anong gagawin mo next? Huwag ka na mag-isip pa, uwi na tayo. And we are the Powerpuff Girls. Ang tagal naman ni Buttercup. Ayun. Whoa! We are the Powerpuff Girls. Save the day.
Powerpuff Girls. And nowhere more than here.
Blossom, commander and the leader. Bubbles, she is the joy and the laughter. Buttercup, she's the toughest fighter. Powerpuff save the day. Fighting crime, trying to save the world. Here they come just in time. The Powerpuff Girls. Fighting crime, trying to save the world. Here they come just in time. The Powerpuff Girls. Powerpuff!
Wait for today. Siyempre, ay Lara. Ayan. If you want guys, ayan. Post nyo na lang. Chat.
Kasi kailangan pumadami yun dyan pa. Mamalengke.
So, paano to, Jelly? Tayong dalawa pa magkasama.
Daanin natin sa ganito. Kaya ba to sa rice cooker?
Parang kasha naman. Tingnan natin kung kasha yung...
Ay, hindi. Kailangan ata susi.
Another day. Hi, Princess Diana.
Yan. Sino sasagot? Ikaw. Kimi! At si Kimi talaga pinaghanap nyo nang nagdi-date na mag-shopping.
Bakit? Anong problema natin?
Masasaktan mo sila pag nakita mo.
Okay naman tayo. Bakit maghanap ako ng nagdi-date na mag-jowa? Tapos bibigyan ko ayuda.
Hi, so since we need to be there pa sa next segment, which is like especially for you, I'm going to eat real quick. So, ang ulam natin for today ay puchero. You don't usually have time to eat lunch na as in feel na mo yung lunch mo. So, it's either you eat before the show or you eat between the segments, which is the commercial break. O, minsan pa din naman kumain ka lang ng konti, tapos tuloy mo na lang after. Or, you eat lunch after your segments or the show. Yan na sila, oh. Tagal naman, oh. GTA.
Ganda!
Sorry.
Ang ganda! Di ka napokpok, Aubrey.
Fighting.
Magkakasama na kami ulit, guys.
Reunited. Yay. Pawisan na, mga tao.
Ako din.
Nakaka-2 na kami. 2 km. Update, wait lang. Bonus muna. Ganito po yung nangyari. So, nagbukas kami ng GC. Hindi namin makita si Cole. Tapos, sabi niya sa GC.
May umaakbay daw sa kanya.
Tapos,
Nag-alala kami. Tapos, basta di niya kilala si Zoro daw, inakbel siya twice pa. So yun, nawala na siya sa paningin
Tapos di namin makita. So kami, for the panic, naghanap kami. Tawag. Nasa tindahan lang pala. My goodness. Bilang first time naming nakasama,
How's the experience?
good. I have a bag, so it's kind of disturbing, but we're gonna run. After jogging, of course, we will eat. Saan to?
Good food.
Good food. Dito sa Good Food.
I don't know what to eat. I cannot choose. What will we eat?
I believe steak to 1. Para makakakagat ako ng steak.
Nangangapit bahay po tayo ng lasagna. Yeah.
1% na lang ako.
This is my food. So this is only rice, only gravy for Arian because I don't need gravy at all. But yeah, that's these take to 1.
Kasi,
Natuling!
ay,
Talaga ako.
Nanggaling lang po kami ng 7-Eleven because we gotta withdraw. Kasi bukas may dentist ako so wala akong pera. So yeah. Yun lang. Uwi na kami. Good night. May prod sila bukas. Support tayo guys online. Love you!
Bye!
Galingan nyo. Kasi sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, sometimes you just learn the dance the day itself and that's what's going to happen tomorrow. They're just gonna learn it ng 7 AM and then live na sila ng 12. So, fighting!